The stones awaken, answering the call of the core.
Massive legs shape themselves, built from the strongest cliffs. The mountain's heart locks into place, giving life to stone. Arms forged from centuries-old rock, strong enough to move mountains. A face emerges, ancient, wise, and unbreakable. With a single final click, the guardian is whole. Power surges through the stone. The core ignites. Behold, the mountain golem, ancient protector of the earth. From scattered stones to unstoppable guardian, another epic build complete. Remember to like and subscribe for more LEGO power builds.